We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary correctly, so stay tuned to learn more. Those two words have two different pronunciations. In British English, the top word is generally said as direct, okay, direct. While in American English, in the US, it's generally, more generally, let's say, most often said as direct or direct, okay? Now the bottom word, which is the noun for it, for the adjective, in British English it's said as direction, and yes, it's not a T sound, it's a sh sound as the last syllable, direction, while in American English it's rather said more often as direction, okay? Direction. So, direct, or direction. And now you know, right? Like this video if you found it useful. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you got this, more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.